In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my PayPal username. Knowing your PayPal username or paypal.me link can be incredibly useful for quickly receiving payments from others, as it allows people to send you money directly without needing your email address or phone number. It simplifies the process of getting paid. So, let's walk through the steps to find it. To begin, you'll want to log into your PayPal account. Once you've successfully logged in and are on your main summary or home page, take a look at the section where you might see recent transactions or options to send again to frequent contacts. Located near the Send Again button or the Quick Send options, you'll find an icon with 3 small dots. This icon is a common indicator for more options or a hidden menu. Carefully click on these 3 dots to expand the menu and reveal additional functionalities. After clicking the 3-dotted icon, a new drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this list, you're looking for the option that says Manage Contacts. This particular section of PayPal is designed to help you organize and control your list of contacts, as well as manage some settings related to sending and receiving money. Selecting Manage Contacts will navigate you away from the main summary page to a dedicated page where your contact list and related management tools are displayed. Once you are on the Manage Contacts page, you will see various tools and settings related to your connections within PayPal. Among these options, you need to locate and click on the one labeled Manage Profile. This step is essential because it directs you to your specific personal profile settings, which contain more detailed information about your account, including your unique identifier or username. Clicking Manage Profile will load a new page where you can review and adjust your personal PayPal settings. Finally, after clicking Manage Profile, you will be taken to your PayPal Me Settings page. This is exactly where you will find your distinct PayPal username, which is essentially your PayPal Me link. It will typically be prominently displayed on this page. Your PayPal Me link is a unique, shareable URL, often structured as paypal.me/your username, that allows anyone to send you money instantly by simply visiting that link. You can easily share this link with friends, family, or even clients, and they can make a payment to you with just a few clicks. Take a moment to locate and make a note of this link, as it is your PayPal username. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through your PayPal settings to find your unique username or paypal.me link. This feature is incredibly convenient for streamlining how you receive payments. If you found this guide helpful, please let us know. Thanks for watching.